nails and don't mess us up.
Hey y'all, Demigod of Nails here again, continuing the one-on-one series with nipping these cuticles. Now this is a big step. This I think I get the most questions about, and this is also the step where clients seem to be the most nervous about because injuries, it can happen. So what I would say is take your time, take deep breaths, and don't be afraid of your tools and just clip. You'll see what needs to be clipped. As you saw, we started with wiping off the nail, dehydrating again to really see what skin is dead versus what skin is live. And a lot of the times those nips and those little bleeding areas happen when you access live skin. Don't worry, it won't happen if you access the dead skin, which is what we're targeting here, as you can see on this pinky. And I'm going to speed it up a little bit now that I'm comfortable knowing where this person's cuticle is, where it ends, where it begins, what's alive and what's dead. And I'm cutting. I cut as I go. Some techs like to cut, as you can see here, clipping and nipping slowly, gradually, and creating like a line of dead skin. That is very beneficial for future cuticle development and how it grows in and it not growing in as thick or tattered. So I'd say pay attention and take your time. And you'll see me look at all different angles from all sides. I'll wipe off again if I need to, just to make sure every aspect of the cuticle is covered and I'm getting that straight, clean cut results that everyone loves to get in a manicure. So I'm clipping. I'm also doing hangnails in this step, and hangnails is just like a separation of the nail from the nail plate along the side walls. So those are pretty easy to clip. Those rarely come with injury, but remember to always sanitize after with either Scrub Fresh or alcohol, just to disinfect, because when cuticles are cut, it is really easy for pathogens to enter that barrier, therefore creating infections, and infections are a lot more common than usual. So take caution, be careful, take your time, and be confident in yourself and your abilities to, if not knowing what you're doing, that you will know what you're doing. I mean, you're here. Step number 1, looking for videos, researching, and reading on what should be done, whether it be for yourself, for a friend, for your mom, or for your clients. Thank you for stopping in. Next, we will be etching nails, oil buffing nails, and massaging. See you tomorrow.